Good morning, sunshine, says. What's going on? What happened to our crops? I picked them, juiced them, and delivered every store in town. Your business is safe, but there were not enough vegetables to fill in that order. That's what I thought first. Then I found the other guard found the barn, the one at Camelot. Uh-oh, Homer, those were our personal vegetables. Well, no. Now the whole town can have benefits. One, two, Froggy, Billy, you complete me. Speak me, please. Oh, closer. I always dream of this moment.